All right, guys, time for another craft. And we are almost at Father's Day, so I thought we could make a Father's Day card. Gonna be real easy supplies in your craft kit this week. It's just gonna have two pieces of construction paper besides the paper. One's gonna be lighter brown and one's gonna be darker brown. First thing you'll do is you'll take that lighter brown piece and fold it in half with the fold like that. And then, to make it easier, I would take a ruler and go from one corner, not on the folded side, but on the unfolded side. Draw a line from there to just a little bit shorter on this side, because this is going to make a saw, so you want one side to be longer and one side just a little shorter, not super short, but just a little shorter. So if you draw a line right along there, then when you take your scissors and you go to cut your teeth on your saw, you can make sure you end at that line every time so it makes a straight line. And then it should come out something like this, like that. So then you still have what looks like a saw blade, and you can open it up like a card. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take that dark brown piece and also fold that in half along the short side. So that'll end up something like that. Because you want to keep this side straight, and again, not cutting all the way through that folded side, but just kind of round it a little bit along the edges to make it look like the handle of a saw, like that. And then you can take and poke a hole right in the middle, and then just kind of cut out the inside along the same shape that you just cut for the outside, so it looks like the handle of a saw. Like that. Then you can take your glue and making sure you put the fold in the same places. And glue along just the very edge. Put that fold right in the same place. Now it looks like a saw. And then you can take and you can write your Father's Day message. And I forgot my pen, 1 second. And I thought that was pretty clever. The message on this one, you can write whatever you want, but I like what they wrote on their picture there. It says, "You're the best dad I ever saw." Just like that. And then when you open it up, you can put your message on the inside too. If you have a picture of yourself, that would be really fun to put a picture of yourself right there and then write Happy Father's Day. You can decorate this however you like. Just like that. And now you have your card for Dad. Have fun with that.